Dermato-Kit. Science in the service of humanity. Dermatophytosis is a widely spread contagious zoonotic disease that affects man and wide range of companion animals species: human, dogs and cats, horses and donkeys, cattle and buffaloes, rabbits and rats, and many others, unfortunately. Diagnosis of dermatophytosis either clinically or in the laboratory has certain complexities. Its lesion not clearly can be identified and differentiated from other infectious and non-infectious dermatological affections. And relying on the clinical signs only is highly tricky, and in most cases it leads to faulty prescription of antifungals with its long list of side effects. Dermatophytosis lab diagnosis is categorized into two stages. Firstly, the rapid direct wet mount prepared slide microscopic examination, which unfortunately showing low sensitivity and specificity due to several factors. Secondary, the gold standard highly sensitive and specific lab-based selective culturing of hair samples, which unfortunately consumes about 1 month sophisticated lab work. The current study we tried to solve this problem, as we were having a zoonotic disease with diagnostic complexities. So we tried to develop a new diagnostic kit for dermatophytosis, to be rapid with competitive sensitivity and specificity. And that's what has happened. Dermato-Kit, a newly developed rapid diagnostic kit for dermatophytosis based on lateral flow immunochromatographic assay. Affordable, sensitive, specific, user-friendly, robust and deliverable to end users diagnostic kit. The newly developed kit, Dermato-Kit. Additions, versions, composition and instructions of use will be discussed in details through the next video.